B-21 Raider is the newest and most advanced fighter jet in the American arsenal, and it's a major step forward for the United States military. This sixth-generation stealth bomber is extremely flexible and can be used for a variety of different missions, including bombing and reconnaissance. The first B-21 Raider is being tested at a top-secret Air Force manufacturing plant. The U.S. Air Force's aging bomber fleet got not one, but two bits of good news this week. The first new B-21 Raider bomber is complete and has entered ground testing, paving the way for a first flight later this year. At the same time, Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall says he wants an unmanned bomber that costs half as much as the B-21, one the service would send on its most dangerous missions. The aircraft was designed with what is known as an open systems architecture, meaning it can be quickly upgraded with new capabilities and subsystems as they develop. It is also known that the B-21 Raider costs $692 million for each aircraft. B-21 Raider, the future of long-range strike, will be capable of penetrating the toughest defenses to deliver precision strikes anywhere in the world. The B-21 Raider is expected to serve within a larger family of systems for conventional long-range strikes, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, electronic attack, communication, and other capabilities. It is nuclear-capable and designed to accommodate manned or unmanned operations. Additionally, it will be able to employ a broad mix of standoff and direct attack munitions.